Nakagamit. Anong gamit? Like song, sing-sing, ganyan? Meron. Kaso need pa battery yung microphone. Nurse on call, hello. Try ko kumanta later. Money, pakpak, paku, pakpak, hello. Tangin ang daming name. Tarat, bulan. Grabe yung mga name ng taga Bigo, no? Ice, Canadian boy. G ka ba? Ang alin? Hello, heart. Re, how are you? Hi, Lexi. Long time no see, Re. Huang Mom, hello. Big Daddy 69. Hello. Hong, hello. How are you? I'm good. Minus sad because I'm getting fat na. How was your Christmas? Good naman. I'm happy because panalo perfect. In city, no. In our province with my mom. Then, in coming New Year, I will go to mom. Sanon, hello. Go again? Yes, because I'm going to spend my time with my mother. All of my family in New Year. Hi, Dreamer! Di ka! Mikey, hello po. I thought you just did. What do you mean I did? Le! Thank you! Casey, thank you so much, shall we? Shall we, EJ? Thank you! Mom, yes, mom. Hello, reporting for duty, mom. What? Ano yun? Thank you so much, Re. Madilim, no? Kananin lang natin para hindi madilim. Umaalog yung bumper mo, Lods. Walang umaalog dyan. Push up lang yan. Jared! Kaizen, hello. Ba't feeling ko ang laki ko sa camera? Hi, Mikey. Anyok, hello. At maganda pa. Paano solid? Pretty po. Thank you. I'll be back. Okay, Re. Thank you naman po, EJ.